Are you ready to take your drone game to the next level? Whether you're a beginner or a pro, these top 5 drones on AliExpress in 2025 offer cutting-edge tech, stunning cameras, and advanced features at unbeatable prices. From 8K video quality to obstacle avoidance, we've got it all covered in today's roundup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's dive in. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone. Starting off strong at number 1, we have the Xiaomi Mijia V198 GPS drone, a foldable quadcopter packed with professional features. This drone boasts an 8K Ultra HD camera with electronic stabilization, GPS positioning, and advanced obstacle avoidance using optical flow technology. The brushless motors ensure silent, stable flights, and it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it great for travel and outdoor shoots. Pros: stunning 8K camera for crystal clear videos, advanced GPS and obstacle avoidance, brushless motor for stable performance, foldable and travel-friendly design. Cons: not ideal for beginners due to complex features, higher price tag compared to toy drones. For aerial photography lovers and semi-pros, this is an amazing deal for the features packed in. Number 2. TYRC H29 6K Dual Camera Drone. Next is the TYRC H29, a beast of a drone for its price. Equipped with 6K front and bottom dual cameras, it delivers detailed footage from multiple angles. It has long-range FPV, brushless motors, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for worry-free flights even in tight spaces. Pros: dual 6K cameras for versatile shots, 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for safety, long-range signal and stable transmission, durable brushless motor. Cons: lacks a gimbal so footage might shake in high wind. App interface may be slightly outdated. If you want something powerful yet affordable, this drone punches above its weight. Number 3. L200 Pro Max GPS Drone, 2-axis gimbal. Coming in at number 3 is the L200 Pro Max GPS drone. What sets this apart is the 2-axis gimbal combined with a 4K anti-shake camera. That means smoother video even in bumpy flights. It has FPV live streaming, GPS hold, return to home, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance for added security. Pros: 2-axis gimbal ensures smooth footage, GPS positioning with return to home, 4K HD camera with wide-angle lens, advanced obstacle avoidance. Cons: flight time could be better. Build is slightly bulkier than others. If you want cinematic footage without spending a fortune, this drone is a top pick. Number 4. TYRC H23 6K Professional Camera Drone with Display. Number 4 on our list is the TYRC H23, very similar to the H29, but with a twist. It includes a built-in screen controller, so you don't need a smartphone for FPV. With a 6K HD camera, brushless motors, and obstacle avoidance, it's ready for action right out of the box. Pros: built-in screen, no phone needed, 6K camera for high-quality shots, obstacle avoidance and brushless motors, easy to use for beginners and intermediate flyers. Cons: screen resolution could be higher, slightly heavier than typical drones. This drone is perfect for users who want simplicity and don't want to rely on their phones for live view. Number 5. V168 Max Mini Drone with 8K dual camera. And finally, rounding out our list is the V168 Max Mini Drone, a surprisingly capable drone in a small foldable body. It features dual 8K cameras, long-range Wi-Fi FPV, and an app-based control system with multiple flight modes. Great for kids, beginners, or anyone who wants a portable aerial camera. Pros: dual 8K cameras in a mini size, foldable and ultra-light, affordable and beginner-friendly. App control with multiple flight modes. Cons: doesn't have a gimbal, so video may not be very stable. Battery life is average. If you want a compact, budget-friendly drone that still delivers decent video, this is your go-to. So, whether you're looking for high-end professional drones or compact flyers for casual use, AliExpress has something for everyone in 2025. From Xiaomi's 8K Beast to the foldable Mini V168 Max, these are the top 5 best drones on AliExpress you can grab today. Let me know in the comments which drone you liked best, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews. Until next time, happy flying!